It is time for some Finally Friday birthdays today, and we begin in Chanute with Bellum Joe Anderson, turning the big number 1 today. Bellum, a very happy birthday to you.
And Stella Smith, turning 3 years old. Birthday is actually tomorrow, which makes this fitting because it will be her golden birthday. Hope she has a great party in Oswego for number 3.
And we've got Braxton Thornton turning 6 in, in Thayer today. Got some pretty cool toys there to spend the day with. Braxton, a very happy birthday to you.
And Jackson Cohen, 7 strong this year for Jackson, celebrating in Parsons with love from the family.
And we've got Natalie Storm turning 13 in Jasper. Happy birthday to you, Natalie.
Alexa McDade, celebrating birthday number 14 this year in Seneca.
And we've got another number 14, Delaney Lusker in Frontenac. Very happy birthday to you, Delaney.
All right, and Avery Johnson celebrating birthday number 16 in Pittsburgh.
And Nate Thompson turning 19, and this comes with love from the family. Happy birthday to you, Nate.
All right, and Brittany Aiken celebrating birthday number 29 this year in Iola.
And then a big jump here. We've got Janice Sandberg in Columbus celebrating birthday number 80. Happy birthday to you, Janice.
All right, and Clark Egbert celebrating in McCune. Happy birthday, Clark.
And we've also got Cynthia Holden celebrating a birthday, and this happy birthday comes from Mom. Cynthia, a very happy birthday to you today.
All right, in Columbus, Sam Eddington, wishing you the best today.
And we've got Dennis and Lola Wade celebrating their golden anniversary, number 50 over in Galena. A very happy 50th anniversary to you, Dennis and Lola.
All right, and Rob and Ellie Monty are celebrating double nickels, 55 years of wedded bliss in Parsons. Congratulations to the Monties.
We've also got Daniel Clugston in Columbus celebrating a birthday today, and Matt Saporito turning 43 in Columbus. That is a lot of Columbus celebrations today.
Party in the bus. You got that air horn ready?
We need to get the air horn ready again.
All right, Brent and Peggy Sutherland are celebrating their golden anniversary. We got a lot of golden anniversaries today. Their 50-year celebration is this weekend, along with the Digmans, who are celebrating 50 years as well. They're in Liberal, Missouri. Congrats going out to Lester and Vicky.
All right, and then of course, you know what you need to do with these birthdays and anniversaries.
If you've got one, go ahead and submit it to us through email. You can do that at birthdays@koamtv.com or send them to birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're there, make sure you sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some great deals from local businesses. All you have to do is go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the Birthday Club.